WiseAgent is excited to partner with HomeStack to give our members a seamless integration for their leads to automatically go from their custom real estate app from HomeStack to their WiseAgent account for follow-up. HomeStack is the leader in the real estate app world and provides comprehensive branded apps tailored to brokerages and teams of all sizes. Let's take a look at how easy it is to send your HomeStack leads right into WiseAgent. From your WiseAgent account, you'll want to go to the Integrations dropdown and then click on Settings. From this page, you'll want to go to the header that says API Keys and Lead Email on the left-hand side and expand this. From here, you'll be able to copy your API key. If you need to create another API key for a team member, you would click Add Another API Key, and then you can assign the team member from here. Once you've copied your API key, you'll want to go to your HomeStack account and log in. From your HomeStack account, you'll want to scroll down on the left-hand side until you see the Integrations tab. From the CRM integration dropdown, you will want to select WiseAgent, and then the option to paste your API key will appear below. Paste your API key and click on Update. Now that you have successfully integrated WiseAgent and your HomeStack app, back in your WiseAgent account, you'll be able to find all new leads that are flowing into your CRM under the Recent Leads section. Once you have your HomeStack leads flowing into WiseAgent, you'll be able to use marketing tools like bulk email sending, text messaging, drip campaigns, and so much more to connect often and thoughtfully with these new leads. For best practices on setting up your marketing in WiseAgent, head to our blog at wiseagent.com/blog. Thanks for watching.